Hello everyone, this is Clement from Tech Tutors. I'm going to be teaching you how to develop website with WordPress in this tutorial. Look at this website. This website was done with WordPress and it's also very responsive. You can go through it. Visit techtutorsng.com. Look at it, very responsive. I'm going to be teaching you how you can do this and many other websites with WordPress. How you can turn your store online and people buy from you with WordPress. So first of all, let's go to WordPress, wordpress.org. That's the official website of WordPress. From this site, you can download their solution onto your system. And you can, one thing about WordPress is that many people do not know that you can install WordPress on your system, on your local machine first. Then when you're done with all the editing and modification, then you move it to the live server. But many people are used to installing WordPress on the live server directly. However, in this tutorial, I will teach you both on how to install it on your local system first and move it to the live server later, and also how to install it directly on the live server. So I'm going to be downloading WordPress right now. So this is it. So I'm going to pause this video and wait for it to download. Okay, right now my download is complete. Look at it here. This is WordPress here. So what I'm going to do is WordPress needs to run on a server on your system. If you're going to be installing it on a system, it has to run on a server. So I have a local server here that I run. It's called Laragon. You can download it online. It's very good. Just like one exam, that's how Laragon works. So I'm going to open Laragon. The server is all running right now. So let's go to the root of Laragon. We open the root. On the root of Laragon, that's where we'll put our WordPress uh, zip file that we just downloaded. So let's just drag it in. We'll drag it in and we'll extract it. Okay, I'm done dragging it in. Um, okay, I have WordPress site here already. Let me just rename it. I'm gonna rename it and then underscore. So this is the one we want to work on right now. So let me quickly extract it. When we extract it, then we'll start the installation process. It's very simple and it's very easy. So like I said, this one is how to install WordPress on your local machine. When you're done doing all the editing, adding the client information and all those things, then you can now move to the live server. I will also teach you, I will show you how to install on your server directly. Yes. So let's wait for this to extract, then we'll continue. Okay, so it's done extracting and this is the folder. Okay, so this is my installation. This is the WordPress files and folder. So I'm gonna move it from where it is right now to my www roots. This is the location I'm gonna move it to. So this is it right now. Here you can rename it to any site. You can call it, let's say we want to design a corporate site for ABC company. You can say ABC company site. This is just to give it a name in case you'll be having a lot of folders on your site. ABC name, that's the name we're giving out it on our local host. So now what we need to do is come to your Laragon. You can come to your Laragon, which is the server that I'm running on. Remember I told you be running on WAMP or XAMPP is the same thing. So I'm gonna come here and then come to my www ABC company site. Look at it here. So click on it. Once I click on it, it's gonna open. There's the site from my local host, and we're gonna do some simple configurations right now. While that is loading, let me open my database from this same server. This is how to access the database, because we'll need to create a database and set up some information concerning this installation. Okay, this is the database it has launched. So English is automatically selected, so you select it, continue. Now it's telling you that you need to do this before you continue. The database name, database username, database password, database host, and table preface, if any. You can read this instruction also, saying if you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database. So what we need to do is, let's create those. If you're installing online, all those can be created for you automatically. However, let's just create that. So we come here, click here, select create new, then select database. So I'm going to give my database name ABC company, just to make sure, it's not exactly compulsory you give it the same name you've given your installation folder, but in case I have a lot of databases, so I can know which one belongs to which folder, that's why I do that. So click on OK. Now it has created it. This is it here, ABC company. So, and let's go to our installation. Say let's go. So database name is ABC company. Our username is root, which is the default username. Password, no password. I do not have any password. Localhost, leave this as it is, then click on submit. Oh, look at it now. Say cannot select database. Look at it. Permission you use ABC company database. This company is not right. So let's go. Let's try again. ABC company. Sorry about that. Okay. Yes, good. See, all right, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation, blah, blah, blah. Then click on run installation. Once you click on run installation, it's going to start installing WordPress on your system. Now look at it. We've passed that stage. Now it's telling me for the page title. It can be welcome to ABC company official website. Username, this is the username you want to give your site, and call it administrator. Now for password, it has generated automatically some password for you. You can decide to go with this, or you set your own. But just go with this. Copy this password. Copy it. Don't forget your username is administrator, and this is the password. Type your email. I'm gonna type my email there in case they also use this mail to send information. So don't check this. If you check this, your site will not be indexed. So leave it as it is, then click on install WordPress. So let me quickly open a notepad so I can paste my password, which I just copied now. Don't forget the username is administrator. You need to make sure you remember all those details, else you'll not be able to log into your administrator section. So it's installing right now, and let's wait for it to install. So now it's installed successfully on our system, and that's why we get a message. If you do not get this message, that means there's something wrong and it's not installed. So look at it. That's giving you the username, password, that password that we chose that it generated for us. Then click on login. Once you click on login like this, it's gonna open the admin section for you to log into your site. Don't forget our username is administrator, and the password is that password which we copied. You can check it to confirm by clicking on this eye. Yes. Can do remember me, then click on login. Let me also save the password so that I won't need to be entering my details each time I come to this place. So this is the admin section of WordPress. Let me show you how the main site will look. Sorry, let me do copy. I can open a new tab, then we'll see how the front site will look. For you to see the front site, the main site, just remove the WP admin at the and look at it. This is the default theme that comes with our WordPress installation. So with this, you have installed WordPress on the system. What is next now is installing themes for your WordPress installation. So hold on and watch the next section so that you can see how to go back and do all those things in your admin.